Hello, Michael Bloom, chiropractor. Have you heard of codeine, fentanyl, tramadol? These are commonly prescribed opioid medications and used commonly for pain relief. And one of the most commonly experienced pains people have is back-related pain. So we also know that there is a dependency that can get built up on opioid medications and side effects, and it can get to be quite a serious addiction in some cases, sadly. So in my opinion, we are always better to try and avoid medication, particularly opioid medication. There's some research I came across today which was looking at non-pharmacological pain management to hopefully avoid unnecessary opioid use. And what I really like about this research, it was published in December 2020 in a journal called Pain Medicine, is that it covered a wide age range of people, and it covered a lot of people. So the people in the study were ranged in age between 18 to 84 years old. And in the study there were 101,221 people. So that's a lot of people. And the results were that this is for people that had received hands-on chiropractic care for lower back pain, and whether they were as reliant on opioid medications as those that hadn't. So overall they found that there was between 1.55 and 2.03 times more non-recipients filled an opioid prescription as compared with recipients. So in other words, patients with the spinal pain who saw a chiropractor had approximately half the risk. That's a massive amount, half the risk of filling an opioid prescription. Amongst those who saw a chiropractor within 30 days of symptoms and diagnosis, the reduction in risk was greater as compared with those with their first visit after that first acute initial onset. Take-home message is that there's a lot of people taking opioids and probably unfortunately getting a reliance on the opioids. And if you're aware of a pain, particularly in this case a lower back pain, and it's in its relatively early stage, according to this study and a lot of people in this study, going to see a chiropractor and getting hands-on care in that early stage significantly lowered the likelihood of needing opioid medication. So I believe that's a real motivation and something that this should be passed on. If you're looking at this and you know someone that's on medication for pain, please pass this their direction. It's a serious topic, but one that I believe is in our hands. We can manage it, or can at least manage it way better than it currently often is managed. So I hope you found it useful, in some ways inspiring and motivational, that you can find some help without medication. Wherever you are, have a great day. We look forward to being of service to you now and into the future. Cheers.